Welcome to HD Shots, our YouTube channel where we bring you the very best of farming, machinery, and countryside life. In today's video, we'll be taking you out into the fields to showcase some serious horsepower at work. We'll be following the New Holland CX790 combine harvester, the New Holland T7.260 tractor, and of course, the Fendt, which will be taking care of the baling once the wheat is cut. Sit back, enjoy the sounds of the machines, and let's get straight into the action. Grain into its massive holding tank. With over 350 horsepower driving it forward, the CX790 can clear wide stretches of land in a fraction of the time it would take older models, and it can hold an enormous amount of grain before needing to unload. Watching it work, you really appreciate the size and power of this machine. The header at the front is wide enough to swallow rows of wheat in one pass, and the advanced threshing system ensures every kernel of grain is collected cleanly. This isn't just farming, it's efficiency on a whole new level, but as powerful as the harvester is, it doesn't work alone. Partnering with it in the field is the New Holland T7.260 tractor, year 2024. This is one of New Holland's latest workhorses, boasting over 250 horsepower and built with versatility in mind. You'll see it running alongside the combine, hauling trailers to collect the grain as the harvester unloads on the move. That teamwork keeps the operation running smoothly, with no time. Now, while the machinery is impressive, it's important to remember one simple fact: none of this would be possible without the right weather. A dry, sunny day is vital for harvesting wheat. If the crop is too damp, the quality suffers and the machines can't work as effectively. That's why farmers wait for these bright conditions. Sunshine isn't just welcome, it's essential. Wasted, the T7.260 isn't just about raw power, it's packed with technology, comfort, and control. From heavy tillage work to baling and hauling, this tractor is built to handle it all. Out here, it proves its worth, keeping pace with the combine and ensuring that every load of grain is moved quickly and efficiently. What we're seeing today is a perfect example of modern farming success. The New Holland CX790 combine harvester and the New Holland T7.260 tractor working side by side, power, speed, and reliability all rolled into one operation. Machines like these save time, save labor, and allow farmers to manage larger areas of land more efficiently than ever before. And once the wheat has been cut, the job isn't finished. The leftover straw will be baled, using powerful balers often pulled by tractors like the T7.260. These bales are vital for livestock, whether it's used as bedding or feed, making every part of the harvest valuable. Nothing goes to waste. And once the wheat has been cut and collected, it's time for the next stage, baling. For that, we've got the Fendt 1290 baler in action. This machine is a real heavyweight in the baling world. Designed for high output, it produces large square bales that are perfectly compact and uniform, making them easier to handle, stack, and transport. The 1290 is built with power and precision, capable of working at speed without compromising on the quality of each bale. Farmers rely on machines like this to make sure every bit of straw left behind by the combine is put to good use, whether it's for livestock bedding, feed, or other essential farm needs. Fendt's reputation for durability and efficiency really shines through here. The 1290 baler can keep up with powerful tractors like the New Holland T7.260, and together they make sure the harvest process doesn't just stop at collecting the grain, the whole crop is managed, right down to the last strand of straw. Now working alongside the baler, we have the Fendt 724 Vario, year 2024, one of the most popular and versatile tractors in the Fendt lineup. This machine delivers around 240 horsepower, striking the perfect balance between power, agility, and efficiency. Comfort and technology are also at the heart of the 724. With advanced hydraulics, precise controls, and excellent fuel efficiency, it's a tractor built for long days in the field. Farmers value it for its reliability and versatility. It's powerful enough for the big jobs, but nimble enough to be a true all-rounder. Here in the harvest process, the 724 Vario proves its worth, keeping the baler running smoothly and ensuring that every bit of straw is collected, compacted, and turned into high-quality bales. It's a perfect example of modern farming machinery working in harmony to get the job done right. This is more than just farming machinery, it's the backbone of agriculture in places like Yorkshire and across the world. And with the sun shining, the fields golden, and the machines working in harmony, it really is a sight to see. That brings us to the end of today's video out here in the Yorkshire fields. We hope you enjoyed watching the New Holland Combine, the New Holland tractor, and the Fendt machines all working together to bring in the harvest. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to HD Shots so you don't miss any of our future uploads. We've got plenty more farming action, machinery showcases, and countryside footage coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.